Today I'm going to replace the bent brake lever of this sport bike. This is the genuine replacement part. Take note of the parts code for your reference. This sport bike accidentally fell on the ground, causing the brake lever to bend. Loosen and remove the lower knot first. Then proceed to the upper bolt. Take the brake lever away. Side-by-side difference of a bent brake lever. Next, clean the area where the brake lever mounts. I just use a paper towel with some penetrating oil to remove grease. Now that it is clean, we can now put some grease. I will be using this lithium grease. I will put some grease into the surface where the lever comes in contact with. Some grease on the piston would also help reduce friction. And to the brake lever too. I sprayed some silicone grease onto the rubber boot of the brake master. Put some grease onto the bolts too. Place the new brake lever and attach the bolt. Tighten it all the way. Don't forget to return the lower knot. This acts as a lock nut. Brake lever has been successfully replaced. I hope you find this video helpful. If it was, subscribe now for more videos. Thank you very much for watching.